Money or love?
Money is so easy to find, but love or true love is so hard to find.
What? Ano mo tanaw ha? Hi guys, it's me again, Viv, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ano mo tanaw ha? So, karon nga video na ako ay guest and sila lay introduce silang kaugalingon.
Yes, hi, I'm MJ.
MJ!
MJ, Marijo.
Ikaw?
Hi, I'm Ace. Charot.
Char! Mag-hi day ko sa akong 1 million followers. Oh, subscribers diyan. Char. Day, kaning nga vlog is question and answer portion sa akong mga friend of mine.
Yes.
So, dapat ang ilang itubag is English ra gyud, walay sagol Bisaya. So, mag-start ta ni Ace. Ace, are you ready?
Ace is half Spanish and American.
Ace is half Chinese, Korean, and
Chinese. Korean.
Filipina. Filipina.
Yeah.
MG is half Chinese,
half
and
Japanese.
half German and half Spanish.
Bread.
Spanish bread. Okay. Ace,
Yeah.
your first question is, what is love?
Oh my god. So fun.
Ding, ding, ding.
Well, for me, love is like a game. Joke lang without.
Oy.
Ay, sorry.
No, Bisaya.
Okay, again. For me, love is love conquers all. Why? Because through love, we can do all things that we can't do for our loved ones. We can take the risk or whatever.
Patay.
Basta.
Kuno
That's
split Saan pasabot na to?
Basta kaya mo buhaton ang tanan para sa imong hinikog umay.
Bato,
Just
bro.
love.
Ibuhat ni mo ang tanan.
Niya ako, wa niya buhat ang tanan para
Ay! So, next.
Yes.
MJ,
Yes.
it's your turn.
Yes.
What is love?
For me, love has no definition. We just...
Look at the camera.
Asa mo ko dapit, are?
You're here.
Okay, for me, love has no definitions. You know why? Because we just feel it. Like, you know,
What's that, you know?
butterfly in your tummy.
Oh my God!
Did you feel it? Oh, like sucker.
I
Love.
don't know.
Are you done?
Yes, love has no definition. That's all. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Oh, let's proceed to second question. MJ na
Yes.
sadang sunod. Kung papili...
English pod all. Kasi
no. English day ko, no. Oh my God. By the way, guys, English tutor day ko. Mga nang English akong ipansa nila ka. Di kayo ko kasabot
Yes,
Bisaya.
English tutor, pero computer yan kuha sa college.
So, MG.
It's MJ.
MJ.
It's MJ.
Money or love, and why?
For me, kailang ipakita ni Alexan. I don't know.
Oh my God.
Pwede both.
no, you
Only
can
one.
choose only one.
If I will choose money than love,
I will choose.
then I can buy anything. I can do anything. I can I can travel, but without love, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do that all because it feels boring. So I choose love.
Okay. Woo! Kasabot!
Stop it. Get some help.
Next. Ace.
For me, I'll choose love.
Love. Why?
Why? Because money is so easy to find, but Love or true love is so hard to find.
Oh my God!
Looy, pag Miss Universe lang tumog.
So that's why I choose love, because if you find your loved ones, then you can find money so easy.
What if
you'll work
your
together.
love is so...
But I didn't find my love yet, so I'm still finding
What
my love.
if?
Yes.
If you have love, then
No money.
no money.
Well, we're going.
Bahalag saging basta labing.
Bahalag dukot.
Unya, og namoy anak, yung umoy kwarta, way pat gatas, mag-away na mo, wala love.
Nagabisaya na sila, besh.
Mamunit may glata, basta love.
Oy. Proceed na to sa 3 day 3. Kisa yung sunod.
Siya.
Ace.
So, proceed na po tayo sa question number 3. Ayun sa tani Ace. Dapat mag-finish tape lang sila. Yes guys, I'm Bea Alonso. Iya, Roxy. Ay, sa sobra. No. Okay, question number 3. Wet or dry? Wet or dry? And why?
Wet or dry and why?
What the?
Dinalian nga question, kanay mang mata.
Well,
Why?
cause feels like heaven.
Next, MJ. Wet or dry?
Dry.
Why?
Pwede Bisaya.
No, English.
Wet.
Why?
Secret.
Oh, need answer.
Need an explanation.
I love wet.
Okay, next.
Okay.
That's all.
That's all. Thank you. So let's proceed to the next to fourth question.
Before
So
the last.
MJ,
Yes.
what is your ambition in life? What is your ambition in life?
Life.
Yeah.
I have lots of ambition.
Louder your voice,
I have
please.
lots of ambition. When I was, I'm already, I'm already a mother. I have a.
Oh my God, are you a mother?
Yes. I have one child.
Only
But
one?
Nakakalimot ako sa YouTube pa. My parents, when I was, namutan.
Sago-sago, nagdasaya.
When I am not still a mother, my parents want me to be a flight stewardess.
Wow.
Yes, because I don't know why they want me
You're
to
tall,
be.
tall. Your height is
Because
tall,
you're
tall.
Yes,
Yeah, okay.
I have the
That's great.
height,
Yes, you have.
but
I have height
when I am
also.
now a mother, my ambition in life is
Marry
to be a good mother.
and a good
No,
Wife.
my ambition in life for now is to become a teacher.
Hi, ma'am.
Because I want to teach not only my child but also the other children on how to read, write, and so forth and so on. Yes, that's my ambition.
That's all, thank you.
Yes.
Okay. It's your turn.
So, hi guys. Oh.
Louder
Well-
your voice.
Well, my only ambition is to be a good mom. Because guys, I'm a single
You're
parent.
also a mom.
Yeah, I'm proud to be a
She's
single
a single
parent.
parent. She's nagwanted siya uyam. Di ko grabe.
Yeah, right. I'm a single parent, but maybe I failed my parents, but someday I will make them proud, and I'll make my son successful soon. So that's all I really want to my son will be so successful. Thank you.
Serious kayo sila nanubog.
How about you?
How about you? What's
My
your
ambition in life is to become a Miss Universe Alcazar. So guys, nakumana mo ang question and answer
Yay!
portion. So that's it. That's it.
Feel ako gigutom siya. That's it.
Diri na lang kutob.
Oh, yeah.
Ako'y
So, yeah.
diri na lang kutob.
Ang
So,
tanan.
sa wala pa ka-subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Please like
And comment.
and share.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you guys.
Like that.